Hey, first off, thank you so very much for giving us a great review here on Facebook. We really appreciate it. What we'd like to ask for you to do is tell all of Jacksonville how you really feel about Community First Credit Union on Google so it shows up in the maps. So the first thing we'd like to ask you to do is go in and type in Community First Credit Union. You can also put your zip code after putting in the name, but you'll be able to find right here in the middle area in the maps different places to review Community First Credit Union. So you see here we have 4 reviews, 3 reviews, 5 reviews. Click on one of these, and in the top right hand side click on Write a Review. Now do keep in mind you're going to need to have a Gmail account to be able to do this. So once you're in, you can go in and tell us how much you love Community First Credit Union, and then type your review. It is really just that easy. All you have to do after that is push publish, and your review will be posted publicly for everybody to see, so when they Google Community First Credit Union, they see how great our members are. Thank you very much.